Hi, I'm Dr. Ritika Tiwari, and I welcome you to another episode of Get It Right, a global health channel. In this episode, we will learn what is herd immunity. Now, if you take the literal meaning of these two words, you will understand what it is. When most of the population is immune, it provides indirect protection to an infectious disease. Now, let me set the scene for you with a story. Let us assume there is a herd of elephants in a rainforest. It is a naive population which is living without any exposure to humans. One day, the herd is attacked by poachers for their ivory. Some elephants die in the attack as they don't know how to react to poachers. However, in due course, the forest rangers are activated and they start patrolling to protect the elephants. At the same time, most of the elephants have now understood that poachers are dangerous. This is something that they have learned from their past experiences. When the poachers attack for the second time, most of the elephants react and run away, whereas the rangers are also successfully able to protect many elephants from the attack. Now let's see the story from a different lens. Now let us assume poachers are replaced by the virus, rangers are replaced by vaccines. The reaction and running away of the elephants is replaced by immunity developed from previous infections. Thus, herd immunity or population immunity is the indirect protection from an infectious disease that happens when a population is immune either through vaccination or immunity that developed through a previous infection. However, there is a percentage of population that needs to be immune in order to achieve herd immunity, and it varies with each disease. For example, herd immunity against measles requires about 95% of a population to be vaccinated. For polio, the threshold is about 80%. For COVID-19, it is estimated to be around 60 to 70% to stop the transmission. That's it for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Do share a word about our channel, like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next episode.